Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you some tips on how you can stop your laptop from overheating. Number 1. Check the surroundings of your laptop. Check that your room temperature is not hot and is normal or cool. Also keep your laptop away from sun rays. Number 2. Buy a cooling pad for your laptop. A cooling pad is basically extra fans for your laptop that can reduce temperatures. If you want to buy one of these, please don't go for cheap ones. They will do nothing but make noise with some cheap lighting. Number 3. You can do some settings on your laptop to stop the processor from getting hot. Note that this will reduce the power of your processor, but you can turn it off or on anytime. Follow me. So that is it guys. If this video helped you, I'm glad it did. Liking or disliking the video is up to you. If you have any question please write them in the comments below, I will try to answer them all. Anyways, goodbye.